36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, walking around, sleeping, driving, and smoking. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Dante Dickey, ticket number P1384794, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive while license suspended, and ticket number SP1384994, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. He also, I think, has a case that's in warrant status. One moment, or maybe not. All right, I think that might be it. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Dante Aaron Dickey.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303.
Good morning.
I'm sorry. I do see one more case that is, looks like it's in warrant status. It's P1101309, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Go ahead, Mr. Mandel.
Good morning, Mark Mandel on behalf of Dante Dickey. On a side note, Your Honor, you got a great clerk and a very good prosecutor. Things are moving quick. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. How do you wish to proceed, Mr. Mandel?
We've worked out an agreement with the prosecutor in this matter. He would plead to allowing another person in the automobile had an open intox. Everything else would be dismissed. I believe there was a show cause that would be dismissed. There was some money owed on a ticket, and he's informed me that that could be paid within 24 hours.
And that is correct, Your Honor. So all the matters that are on the docket, except for the open intox, that would be amended. The people would be moving to amend that to passenger. Dismissal of the other 2 matters, including the one that is in warrant status, Your Honor, that you mentioned at the beginning of the hearing.
Okay. So just so I'm clear, so the open alcohol will be amended to passenger and then everything else is dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Dickey.
Your Honor, the warrant was set aside for your.
Oh, yes, the court will set aside the warrant for the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Raise your right hand, Mr. Dickey. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You have had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Mandel, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of August 31st, 2022 at 6:28 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Plainview and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2007 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes,
And did you have open alcohol in that vehicle?
I did.
You're satisfied, Ms. Horn and Mr. Mandel?
Satisfied.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission and amend the count to open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice, Mr. Mandel?
Yes.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice, and we will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Mr. Dickey, can you have that fine paid by March 16th?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
And Your Honor, I just for the record, would you please give me the the ticket number that was in warrant status, so I can be sure that is included on the offer, so that we're clear that that is being dismissed as well.
Yes, the ticket number that's in warrant status is P11013009, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so you are all set unless you had any questions, Mr. Digby.
No, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good luck to you.
Darnell,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Mandel.
okay,
Bye.
Speaker, Ms. Horn and Darnell, I have Officer Christine, identify yourself, officer.